Hey everyone, I have a new cocktail for you. This one is a classic cocktail. This one is going to be the Moscow Mule. Now, you can definitely have a bad Moscow Mule, don't get me wrong, but this one is delicious. Fun fact, the Moscow Mule was actually created in 1941 to actually help products that were struggling. So, some vodka, copper mugs, and a certain brand of ginger beer that I will just not name. But that's what actually brought this cocktail into existence in the very beginning. So, what we're going to need, we're not going to be shaking anything. We're not going to be, well, we'll kind of stir some things, but we're not going to need any of those vessels. All you need is your beautiful copper mug. There are different sizes of copper mugs as well. So depending on how big your mug is how much ginger beer will end up going in. So kind of keep that in mind if you're not a big ginger beer person. So you are still going to need a jigger because we are still making a balanced Moscow Mule. We're going to need fresh lime juice, your favorite brand of vodka, and then your favorite ginger beer. There again are different types of ginger beer that have different amounts of ginger flavor coming through. So make sure you choose one that you enjoy for yourself. Don't forget, all of the ingredients are going to be listed down below so that way you can make the cocktail along with me. To get started, we are going to start with 1 full ounce of fresh lime juice. Oh, just enough. Look at that. Then we're going to do 2 full ounces of your favorite kind of vodka. And then you're going to put ice inside of this guy. I definitely have a little bit bigger of a mule mug. That's just kind of my preference. But again, it's up to you. So once we're here, we're going to top it with your favorite brand of ginger beer. And then you're going to take your bar spoon and just give it a nice stir just to incorporate the vodka, the ginger beer, and the lime juice. And then you're going to take a beautiful lime wedge, and that's going to sit right on the edge for you. If that is not an easy yet delicious cocktail, I don't know what is. Don't forget, guys, if this is something that you enjoy spending some quality time with me every day, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I want to hear what you guys think. I want to see if you guys have anything you would like me to make. Fun fact for this guy as well, I do have some other variations of mules that'll be coming along down the line because as I have tested things, I've come up with some other really awesome, delicious tasting mules as well. Until the next pour, cheers.